If you want to know how to sign into Grammarly, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact login steps so you can access your Grammarly account without any confusion. Whether you normally sign in with your email and password, or you use a social login like Google, Apple, or Facebook, I'll show you both methods clearly. And if this video helps, please make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to grammarly.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the Grammarly homepage. From there, look for the sign-in option. This is where you'll begin the login process and access your account. If you use your email address to sign in, click the sign-in option and enter your registered email address in the email field. Make sure you type the same email that you used when you created your Grammarly account, because if you enter a different one, you may not be able to log in correctly. After entering your email, click Continue. Grammarly will then take you to the next step where you'll be asked to enter your password. Type your password carefully, then submit it to complete the sign-in process. If you have trouble remembering your password, double check that your caps lock is off and that you're using the correct email address. Small typing mistakes are one of the most common reasons people can't log in, so it's always worth reviewing your details before trying again. Now, if your Grammarly account is connected to a social login, you can use that instead. On the sign-in screen, you'll see options like Continue with Google, Continue with Apple, or Continue with Facebook. Just click the option that matches the account you originally linked to Grammarly. After that, follow the on-screen prompts to approve the login and finish signing in. This can be a faster method if you prefer not to type your email and password every time. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to your Grammarly dashboard and tools, and you can start checking your writing right away. If you ever get signed out, just repeat the same steps. Go back to Grammarly.com, choose your login method, and enter your details. And that's how to sign in to Grammarly using either your email and password or a linked social account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.